Searching for the best gifts for men in 2025 can feel like an impossible mission, especially when faced with those, "I don't need anything, guys," but fear not. We've meticulously cracked the code on unforgettable presents. This year, our expert team has tirelessly tested and unearthed 60 truly unique and impressively dramatic gift ideas that go far beyond the usual suspects. We guarantee these selections will make your special guy feel genuinely seen, understood, and absolutely thrilled. From cutting-edge, must-have gadgets that redefine daily living to nostalgic treasures that spark pure joy, we've meticulously curated options perfect for Christmas, Father's Day, birthdays, or any significant occasion. Don't wait. Dive into this ultimate, surprising gift guide now, and for seamless shopping, remember you can find direct links to purchase all these incredible items in the video description below to grab them early. First up, number 1. The Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones are set to blow his mind, delivering unparalleled noise cancellation and breathtaking immersive audio, transforming every commute or relaxation session into a pure, undisturbed escape. Next, number 2. For the discerning retro enthusiast, the Lego Icons Atari 2600 10306 offers a brilliant, intricate trip down memory lane, combining challenging building with iconic gaming history in a truly surprising and display-worthy way. Moving on to number 3. Step boldly into the future with the Meta Quest 4 VR headset an unbelievably immersive virtual reality experience that will leave him speechless, perfect for next-gen gaming, innovative fitness routines, and cutting-edge creative endeavors. Number 4. Give the incredible gift of ultimate relaxation and rapid recovery with the Theragun Pro Massager a powerful, deep-tissue device that's absolutely essential for athletes and anyone needing serious tension relief after the most demanding days. Finally, number 5. Never let him face a dead battery again thanks to the Anker 737 power bank, PowerCore 24K, an unbelievably fast-charging portable powerhouse that's an indispensable companion for all his essential gadgets on the go. This meticulously curated selection promises to deliver genuine excitement, showcase your thoughtful understanding, and cement your status as the ultimate gift giver. Get ready to win Christmas 2025.